I have made complete form builder in the WordPress. So this is the very simple form builder. When you fire any of this, this is the default form builder option. So you click the registration contact form. So our default form builder is showing a full name, email, phone number, subject, and long message. So you can push it, you can directly publish, it. So already I have published one, I am publish it. So I am published it. So already now, so this copy this, I am showing you how I handle this. So this is the page, create another page. So we can, here we put shortcut, just publish it and click the view page. So here the contact form is checking it, full name, email address, phone number, subject, you can choose the subject, and message, and here the int is from the human. So without also checking, this is the already disabled. When you put all data, you can submit. So robotic automatically system we have, so you can use it. So this is the very simple form, but also we have enabled if you got it here, go to the here, so setting we have implemented also the Google recaptcha. When you put the recaptcha, then you can use recaptcha. Deleted data uninstall, so uninstall it, so you can change the setting here.